So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've decided to start my vlog and I'll take you all through my day. So firstly I'm going to the gym and then I have a class. So it is 5:30 in the evening and we are leaving for the drama Lovebirds by Milagres de Chandor. I am acting in it and this is my outfit. So I'll catch her later. Bye. आम्ही चहा पिता गाइस आम्ही आता करता आणि हा सीझन ऑलमोस्ट 7:30 आहे ते
Say amayo di partigiano. Oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. They say amayo di partigiano.
आता असं तिला चालू जागाचा हा आणि पोय किती होता I've reached home and this is the end of my vlog. If y'all like it then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until then, bye and take care. See you in the next one. Mwah.